Hi everybody, welcome back to Code with Saleh. Today we're going to talk about something called Kubernetes. So what is Kubernetes? Well, it's kind of like a super helpful tool that looks after your apps and makes sure they're running just right. Think about it like this. Let's say you're running a shipping company and your containers are your packages. Kubernetes is like your super efficient manager, making sure all packages get delivered on time. To understand this better, let's imagine you have an online store. Sometimes there's a lot of people visiting your store, like during a big sale. During these busy times, you need more resources to handle all the customers, but when it's quiet, you don't need as much. This is where Kubernetes come in. Kubernetes automatically adjusts your resources based on how busy your store is, adding more during busy times for a smooth user experience and using less when it's quiet to save you money. Another cool thing about Kubernetes is that if something goes wrong, it fixes it by itself. If a part of your app fails, Kubernetes restarts it or replaces it automatically, so your applications are always working. Plus, Kubernetes lets you update your app, and if something isn't quite right, it can quickly switch back to the old version, so you don't need to worry about your app breaking. Kubernetes can do all this no matter where your apps are hosted. It can be Google Cloud, AWS, or even your own servers. So, whether you're a small business or a big company, Kubernetes is like having a super efficient, flexible helper for your apps, ensuring your users always have the best experience. So in simple words, Kubernetes is a helpful tool that manages, scales, and fixes your applications no matter where they are. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Code with Saleh for more easy to understand tech videos. See you in the next one.